Most people believe the path to wealth is paved with hard work, that if you grind longer, push harder, sacrifice more, someday, maybe, you'll make it to the top. But in 2026, that's just another myth. This is the Wealth Nexus, a system engineered to keep the majority running in circles, while the elite quietly rewrite the rules. Let's pull back the curtain. If you're in the middle class, you probably feel it. The harder you work, the more the system demands. Your wage might climb, but so do your expenses. Taxes eat a bigger chunk. Inflation erodes your savings. You chase the next promotion, the next side hustle, and yet, you never really move up. Here's why. The theory of hard work is dead. The people at the top, they don't play by those rules anymore. They use smart systems, digital leverage, automation, and above all, AI. While 99% trade hours for dollars, the 1% are building machines, systems that work for them, around the clock. I'm not talking about robots in factories. I'm talking about AI-driven businesses, algorithms trading assets, content engines spitting out revenue, and networks that amplify every move. The middle class follows the old playbook. Get a degree, find a safe job, climb the ladder slowly, but the ladder's gone. The only people going up are the ones who know how to build elevators, fast, automated, scalable systems. It's not how much you work. It's what you build to work for you. This isn't about luck or some secret handshake behind closed doors. The tools are out there. AI, blockchain, automation. But the knowledge gap? That's the real barrier. The 1% invest in leverage, in code, not clock hours, in networks, not resumes, in opportunity, not overtime. Most will stay poor, not because they're lazy, but because they're trapped in a system designed to reward the architects, not the laborers. Ask yourself, are you playing by the old rules, or are you building your own system? Because in 2026 the game has changed. The question is, have you? Stay smart, stay awake, and remember, the theory of hard work is dead. The theory of smart systems is the new gold.